guys, welcome back to New Look. Today's video is all about how to pamper your skin, how to take care of your skin, how to remove the dark spots, blemishes and pimples from your skin using rose water. Generally, we use rose water to pamper our skin while going to bed, and now in combination with rose water, I'm using some other natural ingredients to take care of your skin. In this video, I'll tell you in combination of the rose skin how to pamper your skin in 3 types. So let's get started. The first type of this remedy is for that I'm using the rose water. This is commonly used one, and in combination with rose water, I'm going to use some yogurt or else curd. This curd has numerous beauty benefits. Applying curd on face keeps you free from fine lines, prevents early aging, relieves sunburn, also reduces the discoloration and fights with acne. It is a wonderful moisturizer for your skin. Moreover, curd is a budget friendly and easily available beauty ingredient because it is available at your home every day. So even if you use it daily, it does not put a load on your pocket. If you want to keep your skin fresh and supple and make others to get jealous of your bright and glowing skin, start following this tip using the curd and rose water. Now take a bowl. In this bowl, add 2 tablespoons of curd and 2 tablespoons of this rose water. Take in 1:1 ratio and mix these both curd and rose water. After mixing this, just take a brush, and with the help of this brush, take this curd mixture and just apply on your face like this. You can apply on your whole body too. Yes, after applying this, no need to do massage now. Just apply and allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Generally, after a long day out work, when you are too tired to do anything and skin needs something nourishment, use this curd to clean your face. Just apply this on your face and let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse with water. The lactic acid present in this curd helps to smooth and exfoliate your skin. And now after 15 minutes, just wash with water. After the first one, now going to second method. For this, in combination with rose water, I'm using this coconut oil. Generally, everyone has a doubt that this coconut oil helps for skin whitening. And also there is a myth that if you apply this coconut oil on your skin, it will become black in color. So that's not the correct one. This coconut oil helps in moisturizing the skin and lightens up the uneven skin tone by reducing the scars and other unwanted darkness on the skin. It has the essential medium chain fatty acids like lauric acid, capric acid and caprylic acid that exhibits antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties, which boost up the immune system and fights against the bacteria, fungus and other microbes causing skin infections and irritations. It has an anti-inflammatory property that soothes the irritated skin and damaged skin and heals it faster to get even and brighter skin. The vitamin E in the coconut oil helps the skin cells to mature and become healthier, which in turn make the skin shed off as they should and helps for the generation of new and healthy skin cells underneath the skin. Now in the combination of rose water, I am using this coconut oil. For this, just take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of this coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of rose water and mix well so that this coconut oil should dilate in this rose water. After this, take a cotton and dip in this mixture and then apply on your face or else the body, whole body. Cotton and make it like a ball. Dip in this oil mixture and now apply on your face. Just dab like this. Are you getting this? See, just dab like this. And after applying, just massage with the help of your tip of the fingers. Just massage like this. After massaging for 10 to 15 minutes, you can wash with any. After massaging for 10 to 15 minutes, you can just wash your face with any of your face wash. The third method for your skin pampering in combination with this rose water is it's tomato. This tomato does a lot of wonders, and by using these expensive salon treatments or beauty products, we can damage our skin. This ordinary tomato is a treasure of the beauty ingredients, just waiting to be tapped. And this tomato helps to shrink pores. The tomato juice works as an excellent This tomato juice works as an excellent astringent and it fights with acne. The tomato for the skin includes its ability to fight with acne. It also helps to remove the blackheads and whiteheads, and it also helps to cut out all the oil from your skin and helps to remove the suntan and refreshes your skin. Now take a bowl, cut this tomato into 2 halves and squeeze the juice from this tomato. Now taking the other half, squeeze the entire juice from this tomato. Now in this, I am adding 1 tablespoon of rose water. And mix the juice well. A blend of this tomato juice and rose water helps to give you a fairer and more glowing complexion. Also, it helps to banish dull and drab skin with this magical blend. If you have a combination skin, you can make a cleansing mask using this tomato juice and with any aloe vera gel you have. For you have oily skin, you can use this tomato and cucumber. For the normal skin, you can just use this one. And the moisturizing property in the tomato for face with dry skin leaves it soft and supple. Now again, with the help of this cotton, I'm going to apply on my face. See, after dipping it, just apply on your skin like this. And let it be dry and then wash with water. That's it for now, guys. These 3 remedies are very important and very effectively works on your skin in combination with the rose water. Do try at your home. And for more beauty videos, please subscribe to New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.